Welcome to Microsoft Teams, a collaboration app to help your team stay organized and have conversations, all in one place. Let's start with, what else? Teams. Here you can see the list of all the teams you're on. Teams are made up of channels. You can build them by topic, department, or just for fun. Channels are where the real work gets done, where you hold meetings, have team conversations, and share files. At the top of each channel, you'll find tabs. They're like links to your favorite files, apps, and services. When you share a file in a channel conversation, you and your team can edit it at the same time and share thoughts alongside it. To find all the files that have been shared in a channel, go to the Files tab. To see all files shared across teams, select Files on the left. Want to talk privately with someone or a group? Click New Chat at the top and type the names. To make a call directly from a chat, click Video Call or Audio Call. In some cases, if your organization has it set up, you can call anyone from Teams using calls, even if they're not using Teams. In Calendar, you can see everything you've got lined up for the day or week, or schedule a meeting. This calendar syncs with your Outlook calendar. To get to an online Teams meeting, select Join. In a meeting, you can show content from your device or record your meeting. Go to Activity for a view that lets you catch up on all your unread messages, app mentions, replies, voicemails, and more. And use the command box to search for specific items or people, take quick actions, and launch apps. No matter where you are in Teams, the command box is right here for you. You can download the mobile app so you're in sync when you're on the go. Now bring in your colleagues and let the teamwork begin.